Project 3.10.4, Short ISP Publication for the ACES Toolbox. This was the first ISP of my grade 12 year in which I built an ACES toolbox that solved all of the issues with the conventional toolboxes that we use in this course. Fusion 360 was used for the full design of this build. One of the key features of Fusion 360 is its ability to work with multiple different types of materials and to be able to interface and view whether materials and objects will fit together before you print them and waste all of that time and material. Parameters were key in the making of this project to make sure everything fit and we could preview it before it was printed. As you can see, dovetails were used in this print to ensure that each piece could be printed separately and then fitted together after, so that it could all be done in separate prints. After this was designed in Fusion 360, it was uploaded to a splicing software called Canvas, where the software went through and made it into a design that the 3D printer could follow with easy steps in the program called G-code. The final part of this build was the G-code. The G-code are the lines of code that the 3D printer follows when going through and printing an object. This is the G-code for one of the walls of the toolbox. Some common G-code commands and their meanings are G00, which is the rapid positioning, and which command tells it to move to a specific location at a maximum speed. G1, which is linear interpolation, which tells the machine to move at a specific rate, like the printing speed. G2 is a clockwise circle. G3 is a counterclockwise circle. G4 is dwell, which means just tells it to pause for a specific amount of time. And those are all the important commands for the purpose of this video. Above, I have written a few lines of G-code and what they do in an example paragraph. Pause the video here to view it. 3D printers run on an XYZ axis, where the X0, Y0, Z0 is right in the middle, and every point around it is subsequent to that point in the middle. When 3D printing, each of the axes on the G-code is listed and tells the 3D printer where to move in each step of the build process.